Format TF card and copy the corresponding test file. Insert the TF card. Power on. Your conversion file is installed successfully if indicator light flashes continuously at least 3 times. Take out the TF card, format and copy the corresponding test file. Insert the TF card again and power on. The self-test is completed when the fixture screen displays like this. Connect the test fixture in the hashboard, then power on the hashboard. Press the button to start testing the hashboard. The hashboard is good and can work if the fixture screen displays like this.